Morning, everyone. Welcome to yet another video. It's a beautiful morning at Varanga. This place is a bustling, a very old temple, a very old Jain temple, and the golden hour is very subtle today. Just 3 minutes ago, when I took the photograph, there was a red streak in the sky, and I've got it on the picture. It's 6:45 now, 6:45, and the golden hour has started to fade away. And I was wrong, the sky has just blown up. There is a bright orange hue in the clouds. The whole scene has come alive, and it's just amazing. I might take another picture. I might reconsider my decisions. I've got these rocks in front of me, which for my foreground interest. Nothing too fancy, but 3 or 4 rocks. And my midground is the temple. So that was about Varanga. Until next time, bye for now. Thank you for watching.